Welcome back to the Mighty Machinery channel, home of all things heavy machinery and machinery fails. In this video, we'll be presenting unbelievable modern construction inventions and technologies that are at another level. Stay until the end to witness the Mighty Machinery team's most mind-blowing invention. Let's kick things off with the Caseband system, a popular roofing and cladding solution in the construction industry, known for its versatility, durability, and efficiency. This system features a continuous roll-forming process that allows for the creation of long-span roofing and cladding panels without the need for intermediate supports. Installation of the Caseband system is quick and easy, as it can be done on-site using mobile roll-forming machines that produce custom-length panels directly from coil stock. The system is highly versatile and can be used for roofing, cladding, and wall panels in various applications. The Caseband system is durable and long-lasting, using materials such as galvanized steel or aluminum that are resistant to corrosion, fire, and extreme weather conditions. Next up is Fast Tube. Fast Tube column-form concrete is a construction technique that involves using prefabricated tubes or columns to quickly and efficiently pour concrete for structural support. This method is often used in high-rise buildings and other large-scale construction projects to speed up the building process. These tubes or columns are designed to be easily assembled and disassembled, allowing for quick installation and removal. Fast Tube can help save time and labor costs by simplifying the concrete pouring process and reducing the need for traditional formwork. Number 3 is vacuum blasting, which is a surface preparation technique that combines the use of a high-powered vacuum system with abrasive material blasting to clean and prepare surfaces. The vacuum blasting equipment typically consists of a vacuum system that removes debris and contaminants from the surface being treated. At the same time, an abrasive material blasting system is used to remove coatings, rust, corrosion, or other unwanted materials from the surface. Vacuum blasting equipment is often designed to be portable and easy to maneuver, allowing for use in various locations and settings. Concisely, it is a versatile and effective surface preparation technique used in industrial settings to clean and prepare surfaces for painting, coating, and other treatments. Gear up for more colossal machinery adventures. Smash that subscribe button, join the Mighty Machinery family, and let's roll through the world of awe-inspiring machines together. Don't miss a beat. Hit subscribe now. Next is the Equipter 7000, a robust piece of equipment designed for use in construction and roofing projects. It shares similarities with the Equipter 4000, featuring a standard 4 cubic yard debris container capable of lifting and lowering up to 4,000 pounds. With a tare weight of around 9,500 pounds and a GVWR of 14,000 pounds, the Equipter 7000 is a versatile and powerful tool for job sites. This unit can be easily transported to job sites and comes equipped with a telescoping boom that can lift a debris container to a height of 25 feet and 5 inches, or optional forks to 23 feet and 5 inches. The hydraulic hitch and sliding axle, along with the Vanguard 400 engine providing 40 horsepower, ensure smooth operation and efficient performance. The Equipter 7000 is particularly useful for multi-unit residential and commercial jobs, where lifting higher is necessary. Roofers and construction crews can benefit from the capabilities of the Equipter 7000, allowing them to handle debris removal and material transport with ease. Its towing capacity and lifting capabilities make it a valuable asset on job sites, where efficiency and productivity are key. At number 5, it's the Marshalltown Shockwave 2.0. The Marshalltown Shockwave 2.0 power screed board's L-shaped design is ideal for wet and form-to-form screeding, with a curled edge for concrete work. The Shockwave 2.0 offers a unique frame design that provides superior engine protection, along with features like vibration dampening, adjustable handlebars, and an onboard tachometer hour meter. This power screed is less labor-intensive than traditional hand screeds, as it consolidates concrete to create stronger slabs. The improved Shockwave 2.0 is lighter than its predecessor and is recommended for concrete projects due to its efficiency and quality results. It's designed to enhance the concrete pouring process, offering features that contribute to a more effective and precise screeding experience. At number 6, Thermo Bricks. Now, let me tell you about Thermo Bricks, which are a specialized type of insulating brick that serves the purpose of providing thermal insulation in high-temperature environments. These bricks are manufactured using lightweight materials known for their excellent insulating properties, such as expanded clay or vermiculite. The most important feature of Thermo Bricks is their high thermal efficiency, which allows them to effectively prevent heat transfer in applications where maintaining a specific temperature is crucial. Their low thermal conductivity contributes to their durability and long-lasting performance, ensuring that they can withstand the demands of industrial processes and construction applications. At the 7th spot, we've got the Walltite by BASF, a closed-cell spray foam insulation solution that is designed to create an airtight seal in building envelopes. This seamless barrier helps to prevent air leakage, which can significantly improve energy efficiency and indoor air quality in residential and commercial buildings. In addition to its airtight sealing properties, Walltite also offers excellent thermal insulation. With a high R value, this spray foam insulation helps to keep buildings warmer in the winter and cool in the summer, contributing to overall energy savings and enhanced building performance. Another key benefit of Walltite is its ability to control moisture infiltration. By creating a moisture-resistant barrier, Walltite helps to prevent the entry of water vapor into the building envelope. This can reduce the risk of mold and mildew growth, as well as potential damage to the building structure. Now, discover drywall lifts, which are essential tools used in the construction industry for lifting and holding drywall sheets in place during installation. These lifts are designed to make the installation process more efficient and less physically demanding for workers. The best feature of drywall lifts is their adjustable height capability. This feature allows the lift to be set at different heights to accommodate various ceiling heights and wall sizes. By adjusting the height of the lift, workers can position the drywall sheets accurately for installation. Another important feature of drywall lifts is their tilting mechanism. Some drywall lifts are equipped with a tilting mechanism that allows the drywall sheets to be positioned at an angle. This feature is particularly useful when installing drywall on walls or ceilings with sloped or uneven surfaces. Now, introducing the Shockscotx Type W thermal insulation element, meticulously designed to efficiently transmit substantial compressive tensile and shear forces within reinforced concrete walls. Crafted with precision, this innovation offers structural engineers the flexibility to fine-tune load transmission by adjusting element spacing and selecting the optimal variant type for each project. However, its benefits extend far beyond structural integrity. With superior insulating properties, Shockscotx significantly reduces thermal bridges, boosting the energy efficiency of the entire building. Its ability to maintain high wall surface temperatures, even in challenging conditions, ensures a healthier indoor environment by preventing condensation buildup and mold formation. Last but not least, we've got the Wagner 725 Power Steamer, which is a versatile cleaning tool that utilizes the power of steam to effectively remove wallpaper, grease, grime, and dirt from various surfaces without the need for chemicals. This makes it an environmentally friendly option for cleaning tasks around the home. One impressive feature of the Wagner 725 Power Steamer is its 1-gallon tank capacity, which allows for up to 70 minutes of continuous steam. This is particularly useful for tackling larger cleaning projects without the need for frequent refills. The steamer comes with a range of attachments that cater to different surfaces and tasks. These attachments include a wallpaper steam plate for easy wallpaper removal, a floor cleaning head for cleaning hard floors, and a window squeegee for streak-free window cleaning. The variety of attachments makes the Wagner 725 Power Steamer a versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of cleaning applications. And there you have it, folks. This is another jaw-dropping showcase of the most incredible modern construction inventions and technologies. If you're as fascinated by the power of innovation as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Hence, you'll never miss out on our latest discoveries. Join the Mighty Machinery community, where we celebrate the remarkable advancements shaping the world we live in. Stay curious and inspired, and keep building the future. Until next time.